Hello friends, today here we are with another video on MATLAB. In last video we have seen the introduction of MATLAB, the general structure of MATLAB. Now we'll start with using MATLAB. In this video we'll study how to start with MATLAB. So to start using MATLAB, make sure that you have installed the earlier version of MATLAB in your laptop or PC or something. But if you are not interested to install the entire software in your laptop, then we have another option. So we have a portable MATLAB. So without installing, you can use that portable MATLAB to run your programs, to just use the MATLAB without installation. So that link is provided in the description box. For programming, we must know the exact command or a syntax for that. So in MATLAB, it is very much easy to find the syntax for any command. So using below these two commands, we can find any syntax. So we'll see the practical approach of this. If you know the command, then you can directly search for the help, writing help space command. Okay, we'll see practically. So in this command window, you just have to search for the help to search the specific syntax. So you just have to type here help space your command and then put the enter. So you'll get the description of that command, how to use that command. For example, here I have search help space input. So here we get the syntax how to use input command. So if you want to study in details, below is a link doc underscore input. So you just have to click on that link. So one help window will open where you will get in-depth information about that command, how to use that input command. See here. So in this tab, everything is written. So what exactly the function of input command is, how to use that input command. uh, Either you have to use that input command for a numerical value input or for a string value. So below are some examples how to use that input commands. Okay, so in this way you can use this input command wherever you need. Like help space input, you can put any command to search in detailed syntax. So whenever you need information, you just have to type help space the name of your command. Now we know how to use input command. Let's see the practical example of using input command. So here I am writing a is equal to input in bracket single inverted comma what is your age, single inverted comma complete bracket complete. When I put enter, you'll see a sentence in the command window that what is your age. Okay, so whenever you use the input command, you just have to assign a value to some variable, then you just have to use that syntax for input. I hope you understand how to search a syntax for any command. So you just have to write help space the command name that you want to search and then hit the enter. You'll get a detailed syntax or the everything regarding that command. Okay. Sometimes we don't know the command, so in this case we can do one thing. So we can type look for space the keyword regarding the command we want to search. So whenever we put look space keyword, then you will get all topic regarding that keyword. So here I have typed look for space input. So here we are getting all the input related topics here. So see here input, our input is here. Okay, so whenever you click on that blue word, you'll get a detailed syntax again. Okay, so this is another way to search for the specific command or syntax. See again, to search for any syntax, you just have to put help space that command, or if you don't know the command, then you just have to type look for space the keyword regarding related to that command. Here we come to know that using help and look for command, we can search for any syntax related to the MATLAB. Okay, you whenever you want to search for a detailed syntax for a specific command, you just have to type help space command. Otherwise, if you don't know the command, then you just have to type look for keyword. That keyword must be related to that command only. Okay, in this way you can find any syntax. Here we'll stop with this video. In next video we'll see some small programs, how to use MATLAB, how to create a program. Okay, till that, take care. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.